dates, low key. Then we meet up with Smokey there, and then yeah, we'll see what today has in store. So I got it up for us. Yeah, so talk to y'all niggas. I mean, yeah, see y'all niggas in the next clip. So right now we're in the bush. I have Smokey there and Ryan at the back. So yeah, so the person I'm waiting for woke up late, but it's not a problem, you feel me? So now we're going to Greenstone to see what's the notion in there, and then yeah, I'll talk to your boys. Yes. And yeah, I'll talk to your boys a bit later. Guys, this is the car we were in. RS3. Feel me? Daza. Boy, this is, dog, it's crazy how it's not even that one. This alone. Boy. Imagine that. Boy, that then we got a easy mode. RS3 shower M135.
Why I need this car, man?
See, there's a M3 here. Oh my days. Guys, let me tell you, man, that was a RS3. Wow, what a machine. Like, goddamn, bro, the G-Force there, yo, like, the camera doesn't even do justice, man. But they're having a meeting there. Let me go see what they say. You know, talk to your boys later. Got a whole lot of cars. You're gonna see them on the freeway soon. So, yeah. When are we leaving now? Waiting for our car to leave. Now I'm gonna take over. RS3 to the west. Holy shit. I mean, no swearing. You.
We missed another burnout.
Boy,
that's the exit area, boy. Let's go to the exit area.
But we want to get gas. Yo.
No, story is full.
So guys, we just got stopped by Jealous Boys FC. And we got stopped by Nationals. Can you see them at the back? Jealous Boys FC. So hey, this nigga is complaining about what is the front number plate? Yeah. Jealous Boys, but let me go record cars and see y'all in a minute. Yo guys, check. This cop stopped the whole convoy. There's Jealous Boys there. They stopped the whole convoy, gang. How can you stop the whole convoy?
This guy says he wants 1.2.
That's crazy.
We stopped and fed
But just Daza.
They want 1.2 for a
He's even giving us a ticket. That's crazy. But it's cool though.
Then you went straight. So now from here, where do we go?
Yo, I won't lie, man. Yo, my voice is gone because I flew. But then, yeah, no, I won't lie, it's crazy. Yeah, it's hella crazy. The car community is actually big, bro. So that's the car we're in there. The Daza RS3, you feel me? So yeah, Spook is vlogging. Russian Bay is there. And but I think we have over 50 cars, bro. And this is just a little bit of them, bro. God damn. But yeah, check your niggas when you get to the venue.
It was supposed to be water.
Chat, I won't lie, right now we're just chilling. We walked around the place, got our clips. This guy is sick as a bitch standing in front of the R8. And yeah, there's our Daza. 100%. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know if it's the last clip. It's not the last clip though. I get more clips when we're leaving, and I'm eating a smoothie-ish. So yeah, I'll see y'all niggas later. Yeah. What the fuck?
And he took his life. We don't want that. And we're here to encourage each other as a Machinta to do the right thing. So I'm going to invite a couple of guys to come and speak to us and just share, whatever from the heart. If you have any questions or you also have something that you want to share, it's a free platform. Let's talk Machinta for the next few minutes. Let's have fun. So at this point in time, I'm going to invite, he's a big brother of mine, Goodman. Known this man for years. And I'm going to ask him to just talk to us for a few seconds as soon as Goodman is done, if you guys want to.
Yo, so we're chilling in the RS now with the boys. And then, I think we're done for the day. I've collected enough clips, if you hear me. So now we're just chilling, waiting to fly home. And then, yeah, I think what you've seen so far is all for the day. And then, yeah, maybe there's more, who knows, but yeah, see y'all niggas later.